Welcome to my channel Sailor Rider. In this video, I am going to show you the complete process of Sagar May Yog, why this course has been introduced, how to register, how to log in, how to complete the modules, how to check your progress, and finally, how to complete the assessment and get your certificate. So let's begin. First, why has Sagar May Yog been introduced? The Directorate General of Maritime Administration has introduced Sagar Mein Yog as a structured wellness program for Indian seafarers. The purpose is to focus on the overall well-being of seafarers through different wellness areas, including emotional, physical, occupational, social, economic, and other aspects of life. As per the new DGMA Circular number 34 of 2026, issued on 1st July 2026, Indian seafarers holding a valid Indian CDC are required to complete this course within the prescribed period. The course is available online and there is no fee for completing it. Now let's see the complete process step by step. Step 1. Open the Sagar Mein Yog portal. You can directly open the DGMA website as I am showing on the screen. Scroll down until you find the module section. Now use the arrow to move through the available modules and you will find Sagar Mein Yog. Alternatively, I have already provided the direct Sagar Mein Yog link in the video description. You can simply open sagarmayyog.com, type it without any space, and you will directly reach the Sagar Mein Yog portal. Step 2. Sign up. If you are using the portal for the first time, click on Sign Up. Now enter your INDoS number and your active email ID. Make sure that both details are entered correctly because your email will be used for verification and your INDoS details are important for your course record and certificate. Then click Continue. Step 3. Email verification and password. After entering your details, check the email ID that you provided during registration. You will receive an email from Sagar May Yog for verification. Open that email and click on Verify Email as shown on the screen. Once your email is verified, you will be taken back to the login page. During the account creation process, you will also create your password. So remember the email ID and password that you have registered with. Step 4. Login. Simply enter your registered email ID and password. Then click Login. Sometimes you may get a network error while logging in. Don't worry. Simply click Login again and try once more. Once you successfully log in, the Sagar Mein Yog course portal will open as you can see on the screen. Step 5. Course modules. Now go to Courses. Here you can see all the available Sagar Mein Yog modules. On the course page, you can see the duration and the minimum passing percentage wherever it is displayed. There are multiple modules and you may need to move to the second page to see the remaining modules. So don't think that only the modules visible on the first page are the complete course. Go to the next page and check all the remaining modules as well. The complete Sagar Mein Yog learning program is approximately 19 hours and 14 minutes. Your main focus should be to properly complete the required learning material and maintain the course completion status. While completing the modules, you may also get quizzes or assessments as part of the learning process. Complete them as they appear. Step 6. Your progress. Now, if you want to check how much of the course you have completed, simply go to Your Progress from the left-hand side menu. Here you can check your course progress and assessment related information. So whenever you are confused about whether your course or assessment has been completed, come to your progress and check the status. Step 7. Assessment. Now comes the important part, the assessment. After completing the required course material, you can proceed with the assessment as available on the course. And don't worry about the assessment questions. I have already attached the PDF with the questions and answers along with this video. So if you are facing difficulty in understanding or passing the assessment, you can refer to that PDF for revision. But remember, your main focus should first be on completing the complete learning material and the required course duration. The total course duration is approximately 19 hours and 14 minutes. So complete the modules properly, complete the required quizzes or assessments, and then proceed with the final assessment. Once you successfully pass the required assessment, you become eligible for the course certificate. Step 8. Certificate. After successfully completing the course and passing the required assessment, your certificate will be generated. And this is an example of how the Sagar May Yog certificate looks, as you can see on the screen. If you are facing any problem with registration or login, I have already made another detailed video explaining how to set up your profile and use the DGMA portal for the first time. You can also check that video. The link is provided in the description.